Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer ink installation video. Today we've got the Epson EcoTank 2760, and as you see there, we're getting right into it. As soon as you answer a few of the questions on your screen for your printer, you're going to go right into actually installing the ink, and that's going to include uncapping and unwrapping some of these the bottled ink that you have for your setup. And all you're doing is lifting up the latch for the particular color. It's all in order, and really with this model and with a lot of them, you can install black and cyan at the same time. So that's what you see me doing there, so you can get your ink filled up a lot quicker. Instead of doing one by one, you have enough space there to do both actually. So this is really just an instructional video showing you how you need to install the ink, what it is that you need to do once you get the printer. And if you've never installed bottled ink before, I hope that this video ends up being helpful to you. If it is helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That'd be greatly appreciated. So you are filling it up, and you can see there at the bottom of the ink tank that it's getting filled up. And cyan is filled already. Black, of course, it's a larger bottle, larger ink tank. So that's going to take a little bit longer. But you don't want to squeeze it all and force this in any way. Epson is cautioning you against that. So you really just want it to flow right into the ink tanks, just like that. And once you're done, cap them back up and toss the bottles out, because that's all the ink that is in there. Now, if you're filling up a tank that is partially full, of course you want to be mindful of that. And once you see that it's full, you want to remove the bottle and save it. So next you are installing magenta there, and that's all you're doing. You're grabbing the bottle, flipping it upside down, and luckily the way these bottles are made is to where it doesn't spill. You won't have any spills from this. So there will be some links in the description below. One for this printer, the Epson EcoTank 2760, and also for some 502 or other compatible ink for this printer. So that will be in the description below if you wanted to pause anytime during the video to go down and get that. So you can see here, I'm doing a close-up of what you actually are looking at here, and you're really just flipping that down. But once you flip up yellow, you'll see here, I want to give you a good visual of what you're actually doing. So you're matching up the bottle to the ink tank, you're flipping it upside down, and then you are letting it fall into place. And as soon as that happens, the ink will be released into the ink tank, and that's really all there is to it, you guys. You just wait until the ink tank is completely full, and then you're going to want to continue with the processing. There's going to be a 10-minute process for the system to recognize the ink and for it to push into the print head. I hope that this information, that this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like this video, and also make sure to visit my website, bestprinterstech.com, where you can find a variety of printers and printer ink. If you need any help with printers or purchasing printers, my channel is a resource for you. But that's really all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.